Our slate of films exemplify the diverse, rich, and provocative narratives that make Filipino cinema a powerful house of the national and global stage. Each film in competition this year has illuminated a unique aspects of our culture, our struggles, and our dreams, reflecting hearts and minds of our viewers. This passion and engagement reflect a thriving appreciation for the artistry and unique voice of Filipino cinema.
It warms our hearts to see how far we have come and excites us to envision where we are heading. Thank you to all filmmakers, our sponsors, our volunteers, and audiences for making the 20th Cinemalaya a success. Let us continue to support independent cinema and remain steadfast in our mission to elevate Filipino stories on the Philippine and world screens.
Here's to many more years of groundbreaking cinema and to the stories that's yet to be told.
Maraming salamat and see you next year.
In the presence of a lot of great artists here tonight, I see my mates at Hener Cafe, a few people. Kamusta kayo lahat? And I am so honored to be your host for tonight. And I think I speak for many actors when I say that being part of a Cinemalaya film is really life-changing. May kakaibang loob, lakas, at lalim ang pagiging bahagi ng institusyon na ito. And this power that Cinemalaya holds comes not just from its films, but from its respected juries. And this year is no different. So we would like to acknowledge our Cinemalaya 20 jurors, critic and scholar, Dr. Nicanor Tiongson, world-renowned actress, Ms. Dolly De Leon, Berlinale film curator, Mr. Nicola Marzano, multi-awarded filmmaker, Mr. Gerald Tarog, and founder and festival director of the Dhaka International Film Festival, Ahmed Mustafa Zamal. We would also like to acknowledge our Network for Promotion of Asia Pacific Cinema, or NETPAC jury this year. Film producer, Dr. Nina Kochelyayeva. Film producer and filmmaker, Corinne Jimenez. And filmmaker, Jay Abelio. Thank you very much to our jurors this year. I'm sure it wasn't easy. It wasn't an easy job to choose the winners from this year's 10 full-length films and 10 short films. Kaya naman, huwag na natin patagalin. Let's start with our awards. A film is about gathering together the right people with the best skills towards the goal of telling one story. Maraming bumubuo ng isang kwento at sila ang gusto nating parangalan ngayong gabi. So we kick off tonight with our Audience Choice Award.
To announce the Audience Choice Award for the short film will receive a certificate and 50,000 pesos in cash.
Primetime Mother by Sunny Calvento.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng nanood ng short films. Gusto ko lang i-dedicate tong award na to sa lahat ng mga nakikita kong pumipila para sumali sa game show nung nagtatrabaho pa po ako sa isang network. Para po sa kanila to, sana nabigyan namin ng justice yung kwento nila at maraming salamat sa Cinemalaya sa pagbibigay ng platform para sa aming mga independent filmmakers. At sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Primetime Mother, salamat, maraming salamat. Thank you, thank you.
To announce the Audience Choice Award for full-length film, our Cinemalaya 2023 Audience Choice Awardee for the full-length film director Samantha Lee and actor of Huling Palabas, Jay Gonzaga. Presenting the award are NetBack juror Corinne Jimenez and Cinemalaya Deputy Festival Director Ms. Tess Francis. The winner of this award will receive a certificate and 75,000 pesos from the Cultural Center of the Philippines.
The Audience Choice Award for the full-length feature film goes to
Gulay lang manong,
May
may DC ang parado.
Research by Dadatas, President approved the use of Uganda. How I'm gonna legalize marijuana, smoking in a peace with my sensibilidad. Listen to the truth.
Maraming salamat po Cinemalaya at sa lahat ng nanood at nagustuhan naming film. Ang aim naman namin dito is mapanood na lahat at pag-usapan ng pelikula. So, Audience Choice Award, malaking bagay ito para sa amin. Sana maigalat pa namin ito sa buong bansa. Maraming salamat.
Award for Best Sound Design. Please welcome Cinemalaya 2023 winner of Best Sound Design, Film Director Mr. Gian Are. And to present the award is Cinemalaya Bente juror Mr. Gerald Taro. The winner of Best Sound Design will receive a Balanghay Trophy.
Kaka, broom broom, sound. For creatively evoking the din and blare of highway traffic, of silence and intersections dapat to, as they are captured in the mind of a personal driver, as he journeys from Baguio to Manila and back, contemplating questions of destiny, fantasy, and identity. The award for Best Sound goes to Jed Damogina and Mario Consundi for an errand.
Hello everyone. Thank you for this. This is totally unexpected. I'd like to thank our director Dominic for believing in us. And for all of you watching, thank you.
A Balanghay Trophy.
Full-length feature film, Best Original Musical Score, for their highly effective use of ancient songs and ethnic instrumentations to complement its powerful depiction of an indigenous people's fight for its ancestral domain. The award for Best Original Music Scoring goes to Paulo Almaded, the Ati people of Cabaranglan and Lagpan, for Tumandok.
sa Cinemalaya at sa lahat-lahat ng ito na nandito po kami ngayon. Kasama ko yung aking mga director ko po, yung aming lahat-lahat po. Salamat po talaga, wala na akong masasabi.
Ay tungkol sa kapasidad nitong buuin ang espasyo ng kwento para sa manonood. We don't just become familiar with the movie's setting, we can also get lost in it. This next set of awards promise that we can get lost in the films that we watch. Here are the awards for Best Production Design, Best Editing, and Best Cinematography.
To announce the award for Best Production Design, let us all welcome 2014 winner for Best Production Design, Visual Artist, Mr. Toym Ima. Presenting the award is Cinemalaya Bente juror, Mr. Gerald Taro. The winner of the Best Production Design Award will receive a Balanghay Trophy.
Magandang gabi po. Cinemalaya Citation, full-length feature film and Best Production Design for its highly effective melding of the resources of art direction to tell a poignant tale of personal loss, shared grief, and self-discovery amid the backdrop of Japanese city recovering from the ravages of a 2011 earthquake and tsunami. The award for Best Production Design goes to Aero Yves Francisco for Kono Basho.
Latte. Wala latte.
Maraming salamat po sa Cinemalaya for this award. I want to thank, of course, my director, Direk Jay, for giving me this opportunity, and of course, Direk Dan, of course, it's hard to create production design with mahirap gumawa ng production design if walang maayos na collaborator. So I want to thank all the collaborators that I have, especially the art department, Jai Alano, my art director, Kyle Francisco, my costume designer, Zara Luwayan. I think a large chunk of production design goes to Zara Luwayan as well, because costume design tells about the story of the psyche of a person's emotion. So I think Cinemalaya, baka it's about time we award Best Costume Design next time. So I also want to thank the Filipino community for in Ricozen Takata for helping us. Ang hirap po mag-mount ng production design because we are in a foreign country and a lot of the Filipinos helped us. Bayanihan po talaga yung nangyari sa paggawa ng Kono Basho production design. And of course, I dedicate this to my mentors, Nestor Abrojena, Harley Alcacid, and of course, my #1 mentor, Armando Binglao. Sir Bing, para po sa inyo to. Miss na po namin kayo. Maraming salamat po.
To announce the award for Best Editing, please welcome 2011 and 2013 Cinemalaya winner for Best Editing, Film Editor Mr. Ben Tolentino. And to present the award, Netback juror Mr. J. Abello. The Best Editing awardee will receive a Balanghay Trophy.
Cinemalaya Citation full-length feature film for its masterful montage of the sights and scenes of road travel as captured in the mind of a driver coping with questions of time, class, and identity.
The award for Best Editing goes to Dominic Picael for An Errand.
Pasok pa lang ang talag-talag na bulan sa kalibutan. Ang mga matang isahay nagagpat man ahay o sa ikang.
Wow. I was not expecting this. Thank you so much. I'm just so pleased and so happy. And really, this is all thanks to the whole team and the collaborative effort of everyone. And I'm just so happy that the audience was open and accepting for such an art house-like film. And I really tried in the editing to make it the most encompassing and welcoming for all the audience. And I'm just really grateful for this award tonight. So thank you all so much.
To announce the award for Best Cinematography, welcome on stage 2014 and 2016 Best Cinematography awardee, Miko David. Presenting the award is NETPAC juror Mr. Jay Abello. The winner of Best Cinematography will receive a Balanghay Trophy.
For its highly poetic employment of light and shadow and other photographic resources in its profound exploration of themes of loss and grief, of estrangement and regulation in their ruin and renewal. The award Best Cinema goes to my good friend, Dan Villegas. For Conabacio.
Una, salamat sa Cinemalaya. Second, kay Direk J for taking a chance to get me again as a cinematographer because it's been a long time since I've shot a film. And thank you very much talaga sa tiwala. Sa aming producer, si Brian, thank you for trusting Brian of Mentor. Maraming salamat sa ang pagtulong sa amin sa paggawa ng pelikula. Kay Sir Jim Baltazar. At syempre kay Tonet Hadaone. Na wala. Andun lang siya to support and be my rock and everything. To my whole team, JR Misa, the Steadicam operator, the colorist Leobi Marquez, my Japanese gaffer Suzuki, Seiya and Yusuke, the key grip. Thank you very much. And to the whole team, sa production team, kay Katsi, kay Angel, alam niyo, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much po.
Congratulations to all our winners so far. Cinemalaya Fuentes short and full-length films.
To announce the awards for Best Screenplay for Short Film and Full-Length Film is 2008 and 2011 Best Full-Length Screenplay awardee, Director Chris Martinez. To present the award is Cultural Center of the Philippines Artistic Director and 2007 Best Full-Length Screenplay awardee, Mr. Dennis N. Marasigan. The winners of Best Screenplay for Short Film and Full-Length Film will each receive a Balanghay Trophy.
Okay. Cinemalaya Citation Short Film Feature Best Screenplay for its savage take on Philippine television and how poor Filipinos willingly subject themselves to public humiliation for cheap fame and paltry fortune. The award for Best Screenplay goes to Sonny Calvento for Primetime Mother!
Maraming salamat, Cinemalaya, to the jury. Thank you for this honor. I've been a writer since 19 years old, so this really means a lot. And I would like to dedicate this to my mentor in film writing, Sir Armando Lau, and also to Sir Ricky Lee. Salamat. At sa mga mentors ko, mga nakatrabaho ko sa ABS-CBN, si Arden na 15 years ko nang nakakatrabaho, at si Ate Ara na nandito din, Badayos, at saka kina Sharon, sa lahat, kina Andrew, sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Primetime Mother, thank you, salamat. Maraming salamat, Cinemalaya.
Okay, for Best Screenplay Full-Length Feature Film, for taking as its subject matter a sector that's relegated to the margins of society and its powerful tale of an indigenous people's resolve to keep their ancestral land in the face of corruption and violence. The award for Best Screenplay goes to Arden Rod Condes and Arnie Sweet Sumagaysay for Tumandok. Congratulations!
Salamat sa Cinemalaya. Gusto ko lang i-share din tong award na to sa Team Love Child kasi halos sabay namin sinulat yung dalawang pelikula. And of course kay Kat, si Kat talaga yung 5 taon na nag-research sa community. Kaya sa totoo lang, ito na siguro yung isa sa pinakamadali naming nasulat dahil isinapapel lang namin yung kwento nila. So, sinishare din namin yung award na to sa mga at sa community ng mga taga-Sitio Kabarangkalan kasi most of the lines in the script are galing sa kanila. So, maraming salamat po sa Cinemalaya.
Gusto ko po i-share yung award na to una sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Tumandok, lalong-lalo na dun sa community kay NN na kasama ko mga ilang taon na din. Tsaka sa 7 community ng Barotacvejo na lagi kaming wini-welcome at parang naalibad para na minsan sa itsura namin kakapunta doon. Kakatanong kung okay ba sila o ganyan. Kina Direk Sharon, Ate Pabs, kina Sir Drew, kay Direk Sunny, tsaka kay Direk Arden. 1 minute. Sorry po. Tsaka, yun po, buti na lang masama ugali nito at sinasakta na. Joke lang. Buti na lang andyan si Direk kasi dati nagsusulat lang ako, wala lang. Sulat lang. Nung andyan na si Direk, naturuan niya ako na yung pagsulat pala, kayang magbago ng buhay. Ngayon, yung pagsulat namin, ayun na, di ba? Nangaaway. Ngayon yung sinulat namin, nakakatulong na sa community. Kaya, thank you po.
Mr. Bon Andrew Lentejas. Presenting the award is 2023 Cinemalaya Best Supporting Actress and Cinemalaya Bente Juror, Miss Dolly De Leon. The Best Supporting Actor awardee will receive a Balanghay Trophy.
Good evening po. Cinemalaya Citation, full-length feature film.
Dapat short muna. Short muna. Di ba short na school?
Sinimalaya Citation, full-length feature film. Best Supporting Actor for his very impressive performance as elder and chieftain trying to keep his people together in their steadfast but not violent fight to keep their ancestral land despite violence and intimidation by the wealthy and powerful. The award for the best performance of an actor in a supporting role goes to Felipe Ganancial for Tumandok. Congrats!
Ayaw niya, ate.
Ano?
Sabi ko sa'yo, sige. Parang gusto ko na naman mo. Alam mo ba?
First of all, maraming salamat po Sinimalaya at sa aming mga jury at sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Tumandok. Masaya po kami sa ating Tumandok kasi sinasabi nga po namin before na di Sinimalaya, sila naman ang bibida at yun nga po sila ang bumida. Dahil po sa para tumanggap yan.
On behalf of Kabarangkalan Ati Community and Tatay Felipe Ganancial, maraming salamat po Sinimalaya. Gusto ko rin po magpasalamat sa aming mga direktor, Direk Arlie Sweet Sumagaysay at Richard Chiruel Salvadico, kasama sa aming mga producer, Direk Arden Rod Condes, Direk Sani Calvento, Direk Joandro Torlao at Direk Sharon Dayok sa pagtulungan po nila para mabuo itong Tumandok. Napakasaya ko po dahil sa award na ito from you Sinimalaya kasi po akala namin lahat ng uta or lowlanders ay mababa yung paningin sa amin at palagi kaming vina-violent. Dito po sa Sinimalaya, naramdaman ho namin ang inyong mainit na pagtanggap, pagmamahal at suporta. Maraming salamat po Sinimalaya. More power and God bless.
We would like to call on 2018 Sinimalaya Best Supporting Actress, Therese Malvar. Presenting the award is Ms. Dolly De Leon. The Best Supporting Actress awardee will receive a Balanghay Trophy.
Best Supporting Actress. For her effective portrayal as community leader of a coastal village of informal settlers trying to keep their unity while fighting off eviction. The award for Best Performance of an Actress in a Supporting Role goes to Ms. Sue Prado for Cantil.
Wala si Miss Sue ngayon. I just want to take this opportunity na lang din to thank Miss Sue for being a part of this film. The entire barangay, Tibungko, thanks her for her incredible contribution sa film namin. I also want to take this opportunity na din to thank every single person who took part in our film, especially sa aming barangay. Daghang salamat sa pagtabang sa pagbuhat sa among salita. Thank you po. Thank you so much.
Sa ating industriya nitong nakaraang taon. Ngunit tayo ay pinapalakas ng malalim natin ng mga pinagsamahan at may tatawid ng masasayang alaala. We would like to offer a moment of silence for those we have lost in the past year. We would also like to request that you reserve your applause for the end of this video. Arts. We now move on to one of the most coveted awards tonight, the NetPAC Award. The Network for the Promotion of Asian Cinema, or NetPAC, is an organization of 29 member countries committed to the promotion of Asian cinema to the world. This year, the NetPAC jury of Cinemalaya 20 is choosing its best short film and best full-length film.
The announcement of the NetPAC Awards for short film and full-length film will be done by 2017 NetPAC Award winner Trev Monteras and 2018 NetPAC Award winner Carlo Cato. To present the award is NetPAC juror Dr. Nina Kochelyeva. The NetPAC Award winners will each receive a certificate.
Sorry, hindi kami na, basta, secret. For security reasons, hindi kami nasabihin. Anyway, for its deepest feelings of death and life, and very delicate way of resurrection from grief, the 2024 NetPAC Best Short Film Award goes to
Abog Baybay, Short Dust by PR Monesilio Patindol.
Maraming salamat po sa Cinemalaya. Wala po si Direk Paul kasi ngayon yung flight nila sa Leyte kasama yung actors. So tinatanggap ko ang award para sa kanila at sa ngalan din ng kasama kong kapwa ko producer, sina Mr. and Mrs. Patindol at saka sa aming mentor na si Direk Marilu Diaz-Abaya. Direk, para sa inyo ito. Maraming salamat.
Palitaw po. Full length.
Kinakabahan ako.
Alright. Network for the Promotion of Asian Pacific Cinema, Jury Citation, Full Length Feature. For its strong inner community voice of loving their land and admirable representation of a strong young woman character who becomes a leader behind the men.
the 2024 NetPAC Best Full-Length Film goes to Tumandok, The Natives by Richard Salvadico and Arlene Sweet Sumagaysay.
Uulitin. Maraming salamat po, Cinemalaya. Through this po, naramdaman po talaga namin yung worth namin. Thank you po kasi dito pinapakinggan niyo po kami. Nare-recognize niyo po kami. Thank you so much.
Salamat po dahil ngayon ay nakita na ng marami ang talento ng ating community. Ilan pa kayang mga ate ang pwedeng ma-recognize sa kanilang talento kung lahat sila ay wala ng pangamba at space ng mangarap? Kaakibat ng award na ito ng community, sana samahan nyo sa pakikibaka para marinig ng nakararami ang boses ng buong sitio Karabangkalan na masecure nila ang kanilang titulo. Dahil hindi lang ito tungkol sa pagbawi ng kanilang lupang ninuno, tungkol din ito sa pagbawi ng kanilang karapatan at pag-secure ng kanilang kinabukasan.
To present Cinemalaya Ben.
Timron Villanueva for child number 82. Sari Dalena for Cine Martyrs. Dustin Celestino for Habang Nilalamon ng Hydra ang Kasaysayan.
Mas exciting siguro kung sinabi na yun.
Jen Romano for Padamlagan or Nightlife. Raymond Barcelon and Cheska Marfori for Paglilitis. Rene Dibla for Republika ng Pilipinas. Nigel Santos and Kivi Vicente for Open Endings. Nonilon Abao for Bloom Where You Are Planted. And finally, Kevin Z. Alhambra and Rachel Badayos for Warla. So ladies and gentlemen, ito ang Cinemalaya 2025 full-length finalists.
The film Film Development Council of the Philippines has been a Cinemalaya partner for the past 20
From the time of Pepot Artista all the way down to Kal Papa's Itik Mapupukaw. We see the process of evolution, how Cinemalaya has grown for the past 20 years. It is almost inevitable to say that Cinemalaya is one of the most important events that happen in our country and signifying the growth of our culture. Film endlessly evolves, and it is because of this process that Cinemalaya is endlessly evolving as well. Perhaps one of the greatest contributions of Cinemalaya is this roster of names. Lawrence Fajardo, Dan Villegas, Zaid Dulay, Derek Cabrido, Chris Martinez, the late Edong Roy, Carl Papa, Francis Pasion, and so many others who found their voice and who found their platform in Cinemalaya and have now become a major part of the very growth and life of Philippine cinema. It is because of these names that Cinemalaya continues to thrive and continues to evolve. More so this year, I am personally so overwhelmed by the fact that a documentary film is playing to capacity audiences. I am so overwhelmed by the fact that you have a mixture of both feature and documentary style showing the process and the anguish of an indigenous tribe. It's also due this year that we deal with subject matters which will never find its way in commercial filmmaking. The story of a family dealing with autism. The story of child rape in an institution that seems to be almost invincible. Various stories which show courage, various stories that show originality, and various stories that embody the spirit of the Filipino and meant to be shared to the world. Most especially at this time when Philippine cinema is at a bleak phase, Cinemalaya is a beacon of hope. Cinemalaya proves that we are going to prove to everybody who says that Philippine cinema is dead. No, it is not. It is waiting to be reborn. And it's going to be reborn right here in this festival. Another thing which is so enriching about this festival is it's almost aligned to the dream of the Film Development Council of the Philippines for three specific aspects. One is to give voice to regional filmmakers. We have to stop thinking that Philippine cinema is Manila-centered. No. Philippine cinema represents all the regions and languages of our country, and we are yearning to hear their voices. We are also so excited that last year, animation found its root. Animation, the best film was an animated film, and this year, two of the best films are in the form of documentaries. And it is within the line of FDCP that we are encouraging the creation of more short films, the creation of more documentaries, and the development of greater animated films. And with this in mind, true to the promise of the FDCP and its support of Cinemalaya, all the short film finalists of next year will get 100,000 pesos of support. And the 10 finalists who went on stage will get an extra 1 million pesos each for the production of their films. Ang saya ng mga co-teachers ko sa CSP. So with that in mind, maraming salamat Cinemalaya. Isang karangalan, isang pribilehyo ng Film Development Council na maging partner ninyo. Maraming salamat Cinemalaya dahil binibigyan ninyo ng walang humpay na pag-asa ang Philippine cinema. At higit sa lahat, mabuhay ang malayang paggawa ng pelikula, mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino. Maraming salamat.
Special Jury Awards speak to the depth of creativity that is in our Cinemalaya 20 films this year. Dito makikita ang kabuuan ng lakas, loob at lalim
To announce the award for Best Actor, let us all welcome 2019 Cinemalaya Best Supporting Actor, Mr. Ricky Davao. To present the awards are Cinemalaya Festival Director Chris Bimiliano and Film Curator and Producer Mr. Nicola Marzano. The winner of the Best Actor Award will receive a Balanghay Trophy.
Cinemalaya Citation Full-Length Feature Film, Best Performance of an Actor. For his sensitive and very convincing portrayal of a boy who refuses to be silent and to be silenced about his abuse. The award for Best Performance by an Actor in a Lead Role goes to Enzo Osorio for The Hearing.
Kasi deaf mute. Walang dialogue yung bata. The Hearing. Ayaw ko siyang kasi yung wala kasing best child support. Alam mo, masasikrap eh. Ano lang sa kanila?
Naiiyak po kasi. Nagpapasalamat po ako kay Lord. Nagpapasalamat ako sa pamilya ko na sumuporta sa akin. Nagpapasalamat ako sa dahilan kung bakit ako nandito, si Mama Beth at si Direk Lo. Hinintay po talaga ako ni Direk Lo. Tapos na yung audition. At nagpapasalamat ako sa tumulong sa akin on shoot. Habang pressured na pressured po ako, si Mama Maylin, tinulungan niya po akong mag-at ease and nagpapasalamat po sa lahat na sumuporta sa akin na kung bakit ako nakatayo ngayon dito. Thank you po.
To announce the award for Best Actress, we would like to call on stage 2016 Cinemalaya Best Supporting Actor, Mr. Lou Veloso, and 2017 Cinemalaya Best Actress, Miss Angeli Bayani. Presenting the award are Chris Bimiliano and Nicolo Marzano. The Best Actress awardee will receive a Balanghay Trophy.
Baka sa wedding dance. Yeah, wedding dance. Na-describe na
Okay. Cinemalaya Citation Full-Length Feature Film Best Performance of an Actress for her spirited portrayal of public school teacher.
Marian!
The sanctity of the ballot.
And for her sensitive and very moving portrayal of a young woman navigating the cultural complexities of a foreign funeral while coming to terms with personal loss and family grief. The award for Best Performance of an Actress in a Lead Role is shared by
Marian Rivera.
and Gabby Padilla.
Ayun si Marian! Go! Ah, sexy ni Marian. Wow! Grabe, ang sexy ni Marian! Wow! Wow! Wow!
Sinimalaya for giving Filipino filmmakers the platform to tell their stories every year. Thank you so much. I'd like to thank my director, Direk J. Thank you for your trust in me. Thank you so much, Direk. Direk Dan Villegas, pag tumawag ka sa akin, hindi talaga ako magno-no. And thank you so much. I'd like to share this award with the rest of the Conabacio team. Mentor, Project 8, the community of Rikuzen Takata, our Japanese crew and team. Thank you so much, my co-actor Arisa Nakano, who is here with us tonight. And of course, I'd like to thank my family, my mother. This film is about the loss of a father, and I would like to share this with my own. He's the reason that I am here tonight. He has taught me to make believe and to tell stories. So I'd like to share this award with him. Wherever he is, I hope he sees this and I hope he is happy. Thank you po. Thank you so much.
Diba? Palakpakan.
Sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Sinimalaya, marami pong salamat sa inyo. To my GMA family, thank you. Direk Kip, umpisa pa lang ng shooting natin, ramdam ko ang 100% na pagtitiwala mo sa kakayaan ko kung paano ko i-arte si Teacher Emmy. So thank you, Direk Kip. Sa lahat ng staff and crew, sa loob ng 6 na shooting days, ramdam ko yung pag-aalala. Yes, sorry to say that. 6 shooting days. Ramdam ko yung pagmamahal, pag-aalala, paggabay nila sa akin na safe ako, na kahit anong bigat ng nararamdaman ko sa lahat ng eksena, never nila akong pinabayaan at minimake sure nila na maayos akong uuwi kahit sugat-sugat ako. Thank you. Sa lahat ng mga cast na kasama ko dito, napakahuhusay ninyo. At syempre, di matatapos ang pasasalamat na to kung hindi dahil din sa asawa ko. Thank you, Dad. Kwento ko lang ng short. Sabi ko sa kanya, mahal, may offer sa akin sa Sinimalaya. Tatanggapin ko ba? Kakayanin ko ba? Sabi ng asawa ko, wala mang ilang minuto, sabi niya, kailangan mong gawin yan. Kailangan mo ipakita kung sino ka. Salamat, God, sa pagtitiwala. At sa mga anak kong very excited tuwing uuwi ako kung ano nangyari sa Balota shooting days ko. At yung bunso ko, binibilang po yung sugat ko araw-araw tuwing uuwi ako. So salamat. Birthday ko po bukas. Salamat po sa napakagandang regalo. Taus-puso po ako nagpapasalamat. Thank you! Alam ko po mahaba na pero may last pa po. Sa lahat po ng Teacher Emmy na matapang na ginagawa ang lahat para protektahan ang boto ng sambayanan kahit pa ang sarili ng buhay ang malaan sa panganib. Teacher Emmy, para sa'yo to. Mabuhay po kayo, mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino.
To announce the Special Jury Award for Short Film, please welcome 2022 Cinemalaya Best Film Awardee, Director Zig Tulay. Presenting the award are Cinemalaya Bente Juror Ahmed Mustafa Zama and Ms. Isa Valdez, Project Manager.
Congratulations, Ms. Marian. Cinemalaya Citation, Short Feature Film Special Jury Prize. For its compelling evocation of the glories of nature, as seen through the eyes of 2 lumad youngsters and their struggle to protect and preserve the Agusan Marsh of Mindanao. The special jury prize is given to Pamalandong sa Danao, The Reflection in the Marsh by Bridge Asher Harani.
Maraming salamat po sa Cinemalaya. Actually, coming here tonight, I do not want to expect anything because I've seen all the other short films and they're really, really good.
But to receive this award...
1 to 20 to please stand up and be...
Cinemalaya filmmakers. The Cinemalaya family is an important reminder that we need to continue to create beyond the mainstream and work towards the lakas, loob, lalim that Filipino independent films stand for. Tonight's Best Film and Best Director awards are extra special. Not only will it represent the kind of filmmaking that is valuable 20 years since Cinemalaya started, it will also remind us about the kind of filmmaking we can continue to look forward to for the next 20 years.
To announce the award for Best Director for the short film, please welcome on stage 2023 Best Director for the short film, Mr. Mike Cabarles. Presenting the award are Cinemalaya Chairperson for Competition and Monitoring, Mr. Carlitos Siganreina, and Sony Philippines Deputy Marketing Director, Mr. Kentaro Imamura. The winner of the Best Director for the short film will receive a Sony FX6 camera worth 362,000 pesos and a Balanghay trophy.
For effectively orchestrating the resources of cinema in its depiction of a hard-up and lonely unpaid worker and her dashed hopes for romance. The award for Best Direction is given to Sam Manaksa. For Cross My Heart and Hope to Die.
As a film worker po, wala po si Sam ngayon kasi nagtatrabaho po siya. Pero for sure, pasasalamatan niyo lahat from Cinemalaya, sa buong cast and crew ng Cross My Heart and Hope to Die. And sa lahat ng mga taong naniwala sa film, maraming salamat po. And this is for everyone.
Cinemalaya Best Director, Mr. Ryan Machado, and 2005 Cinemalaya Best Director, Ms. Rica Arevalo. Presenting the award are Carlitos Siganreina and Kentaro Imamura. The winner of the Best Director for the full-length film will receive a Sony FX6 camera worth 362,000 pesos from Sony Philippines and the Balanghay trophy.
For his utter craftsmanship and expert summoning of the resources of the cinema to tell a poignant story of personal loss and family grief amid the trauma of disaster, for his powerful exploration of themes of diaspora, self-discovery, and sisterhood, and for his humanist vision that inspires renewal and reunion.
The award for Best Director goes to Jaime Pasena de
Thank you very much, Cinemalaya. Pangarap ko to, it's been a dream. I'm 44 years old. This is my first film, and it's not... I'm really very thankful for the whole Cinemalaya team, for holding us and for giving us a platform, even if it's very personal. Maraming salamat to the Project 8 Projects team, Direk Dan Villegas, who have mentored me since day one. Maraming salamat to Brian for giving me and us the opportunity to make this film. Kung wala kayong lahat, the whole team, kung hindi nyo ako ginabayan at hindi nyo ako sinuportahan, I wouldn't be able to tell this story. To the two lead actresses who have helped me and who have given me a chance to do this film with the both of you. You are both heaven sent. Domo arigatou gozaimasu, Arisa-san and Gabby. To my parents, to my mother, who I'm pretty sure sobrang proud niya ngayon. At yung tatay ko, kung nasan ka man pa, I'm here standing in front of all of these people, amazing people, with this award. To my son, Sunday, I hope balang araw you'll be able to find the film. Hopefully when you are in that particular position or situation, that you will find this particular film speaking to you. This is for you. And to Jai, thank you very much for standing beside me all throughout this journey. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
NETPAC awardee, Director Carl Joseph Papa, and curator of Cinemalaya 2021's docu-section, screenwriter and scholar, Dr. Clodoaldo Del Mundo. Presenting the award are Cinemalaya jeweler, Dr. Nicanor Chongson, CCP President Ms. Kay Tinga, Cinemalaya President Ms. Luis Galian, Cinemalaya Foundation Chairperson Mr. Antonio Coangco. They will be joined by Ms. Manette Dairit, Managing Director of Central Digital Lab. The winner of this award will receive 350,000 pesos from the Cinemalaya Foundation, one post-production package from Central Digital Lab, and a Balangkay Trophy.
Cinemalaya.
Companion here will read the description and the division of labor.
For its heartbreaking portrait of overworked and underpaid women workers, and its subtle but more than critique of their abuse and exploitation.
The award for Best Short Film goes to Cross My Heart and Hope to Die by Sam Manastra.
Ginawa po namin yung Cross My Heart kasi bilang kasali sa mga manggagawang Pilipino at bilang isang film worker, pagod na po kami kasi maraming mga sistema na hindi nagpumagana for us. So ito po ay para sa lahat ng mga manggagawa. Sana sa mga susunod na mga pelikula na magawa namin, mas maganda, mas masaya at mas maayos na yung buhay ng lahat ng mga Pilipino. Maraming salamat po.
Again, to announce the award for Best Full-Length Film, we would like to welcome to the stage 2023 NETPAC awardee, Director Carl Joseph, President Ms. Kay Tinga, Cinemalaya President Ms. Luis Galian, Cinemalaya Foundation Chairperson Mr. Antonio Coangco, to be joined by Ms. Manette Dairit, Managing Director of Central Digital Lab. The winner of the award will receive 350,000 pesos from the Cinemalaya Foundation, one post-production package from Central Digital Lab, and a Balangkay Trophy.
Cinemalaya Citation, full-length feature film, Best Film. For its focus on a marginalized sector on Philippine society, for its nearly epic sweep of the life and landscape of a people disempowered by the wealthy and the powerful and victimized by government neglect and corruption. For its highly convincing characters and effective ensemble acting by a cast of non-professional actors. To their ancestors
for Best Film goes to Tumandok.
Thank you po sa award na to. Although this is our first full-length film, we take ourselves out of it because this film is the symbol of bravery and the strength of the Ate community who co-authored and co-directed, who made this with us. And sa aming producers and executive producers na andito ngayon na and Terminal 6 po, Sir Chad, and yung ibang producers namin from Terminal 6 and ang buong cast and crew po na inilaban talagang matapos yung pelikulang to. Sina Ate Babs, Kuya Miko, Sir Jo, yung mga unang taong sumama sa amin dun sa community at tinapangan talaga sa kabila ng na-experience namin. Sina Ate Bel, si Gab, si CJ, si Naika, si NN. At ang favorite naming masamang tao, si Direk Arden.
At gusto lang po namin magpasalamat, of course, sa jury at sa Cinemalaya, kay Miss Mel, sa Rodel, at Miss Vicky. Sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Cinemalaya at FDCP, maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po. Una sa lahat sa Panginoon. Kina Direk Arlene Sweet Sumagaysay at Richard Jeron Salbudico na unang tumulong at naging paraan para makapunta kami dito. At sa mga
So, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng Tumandok cast and crew, sa aming mga directors, sa mga juries po, at sa lahat ng nandito ngayon. Sana po patuloy niyo pong sumuportahan yung Tumandok tsaka yung aming community. Maraming salamat po. God bless.
Congratulations to all the winners! And that concludes our Cinemalaya 20 Awards night. Maraming